How to make Instagram story highlights. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
So all you want to do is open up your Instagram application. Then on the bottom right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And obviously, I'm going to see a lot of different things here. But on the top right, I want to see those three little lines. Go ahead and click on those. And then you're going to see archive as one of the options. So click on that and just make sure you're in your stories archive. From here, I could go ahead and select anything I want. So for example, let's just go ahead and select this. And let's say I want to make a highlight out of it. What I've got to do is press these three little dots, and then I can either save the photo, delete the story, anything like that. Or what I could do is press these three little dots, select stories. So I'm just going to select, like, let's just say as an example, I'll just select this one. And then I'm going to see create a highlight on the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. And then, just title it whatever you want. You can edit the cover as well if you want to. Then just go ahead and press add right there. Now, you won't have to post on your story again, but obviously, as you can see, it's on my profile. If I want to add to it, just press on it, press these three little dots, and then I'm going to press edit highlight. So now what I could go ahead and do is go and, see my previous story. So I'm not going to have to add any new stories, but I can see my previous ones and add any more here. And what you could also do is when you're posting a story, put it to like, only your friends or something like that. And then when you put it to only your friends or like only people that you want, like a close friends list, you could have no one on the close friends list, which essentially means it's going to be a private story. And then you can put it on your highlights and then, yeah, remove it from the close friends list and then you'll be good to go.